Hey, all India radio ni. Tuna here and Mitar Sanka Zakosum Kopa Quarter on Tichuania. Session number 2. Is all train me. Tuna Mr. Philip, John Philip, USA Tranga seismologist and Lirhinam Pangzirmi Nia Chuchu and Palana Komna, Ilongai Kangu. Mr. Philip, how are you? I'm doing fine, thank you. Mr. Philip, what do you think of Mizoram? I think Mizoram is in a very dangerous state. I think people should take more serious about the situation of Aizawl, especially how they build their houses and construction as a whole. Mr. Philip, do you think that if there is an earthquake in Mizoram, everybody will die? No one could predict the future, so I can't say, or I don't know about that. So, are you saying that it is not very dangerous? I'm not saying that. But if you cannot say, how can you be so sure? I'm not saying I'm sure or anything like that. I'm just saying that you are in a dangerous state. That's all I'm saying. But can you be more specific and particular about it? If there is an earthquake, what prevention can be done? Are we really in danger? I don't know about that. I've already answered that question, so could you just go to another question? No, you did not answer my question. Until and unless you answer my question, I am not going to another question. Then I think I better take my leave. No, you are not going anywhere. If you do not answer my question, you will not leave Mizoram alive. I'm going to call the police, okay? Stop this nonsense. I have to go home. No, it is not nonsense. It is very sensible. You be very careful in what you say, or else. Now, again, I ask you the same question. Tell me, I am going to ask you only one more time. What is the exact condition of Mizoram? The Mizoram is in a very bad state, and that's all I can say. I have no further thing to say about it. Will you please go on to the next question? No, Tesatori. I will never go to another question until you answer me to my satisfaction. As I have said before, if you do not answer my question properly, you will not leave Mizoram alive. Do you understand that? If you don't answer me, I am going to ask you one more time. If you don't answer me, particularly to the question I ask you, I will hit you in the nose. What kind of station are you running here? You can't...